Welcome to the Fashion Room, where Bay Style steps inside, a show about youth culture and fashion in Nelson Mandela Bay, mixing fashion, creativity, and style all together. My name is Bulelwa Qupe, and I am your favorite fashion host with the most. In today's episode, we have Simamkele Wasepedi, co-founder of the brand Ndimnyama. Welcome, Sima. It's good to have you here. Can you tell us what inspired the name Ndimnyama and what does it represent for you?
Ndimnyama brand, the start of the right things started in 2020. The reason starting for Ndimnyama, sifuna ususa stigma man in the society. You see, kuthiwa thina ke singamaXhosa. There's a saying that says, "Makudet bumnyama kuvela ukhanya," forgetting that these things, they are very much equal.
Yes.
They have both 12 hours of each. When we started in Ndimnyama, ke sasifuna ususa stigma. Xa uhleli umzekelo kuthiwa hayi ngoku sebumnyameni. You just must create something, do something. Yabo, just start something.
Yes.
Then when time comes, kuvela ukhanya.
Okay.
Whatever you were doing it will showcase pan.
Okay.
That's the reason why Ndaqala Ndimnyama.
Okay. I love that. And how has your fashion journey been like in Gqeberha?
It's pretty much.
Okay.
It's a wave.
Ewe.
Maybe a wave.
Ene.
2020. Yonke into xa uqalayo ke just know that when you're starting something, you're always gonna
Ewe.
go.
Yeah.
Ane? But when it's time for you to stabilize it,
Okay.
it's gonna go like this.
All right. Daku.
And then it's you who's gonna have to pick it up. And then you stabilize it to what you really want the brand to be, or whatever business that you start. Funeka ibe nguwe ungathi xa ihlile and the sales go down and there are no customers and akho niksi, and then you say aman ndiyayeka le yabo apha by
Yeah.
sibanitsi.
Exactly.
Yabo, we come from places all the road. So you just need to know that now it's your time.
Okay.
Just do
Ewe.
what you need to do with your time. Yeah, but that's how we have managed to
Yes.
scoop into industrial PE.
Yes.
So because we just need to.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you can see most ETP,
Yeah.
we're like that. We're checking what time and then execute.
Okay.
Checking time, just execute.
You just need to be consistent.
Exactly.
I love that. And Geogu, can you tell us how is Ndimnyama different from other South African fashion brands?
Ndimnyama is a very spiritual brand. Everything that we do comes from our forefathers,
Okay.
our four grandfathers, and everyone in our bloodline. Nesingabaziyo. Siyababonisa basenzela izinto sizenze. If you can see our latest photo shoot, that includes Indlu Yesibane. Whereas kuyakhanyiselwana phana. Yeah, we had to go back engqusho.
Okay.
Had to go back because the inspiration was ibisimga kwa passion, so we had to go back. Sihambe solala pha emakhukhwini lines wangumakhulu. Silale pha ke sive lento sibone ba lento basithuma yona ba. Sawubuya sinayo na. Sabuya nyani, it was a week or two. We designed like Tracer. Designed, sketched, we did everything. Yeah, so Ndimnyama is very spiritual.
I love it. It's a calling. Yeah?
Yeah.
Love it. We've spoken about inspiration, what it represents, and how different your brand is to other South African brands. Can you show us now your designs? Take us through the designs. I love the pink looks. About that pink look.
As I said before, I said the latest was inspired by English ban. Yabona mos xa nigqiba kwenza umsebenzi, or it's either a funeral or umsebenzi nje ngowesiXhosa. There's a day whereas nihlala khona niyifamily nixoxa amadlala wenu. Yabona ke xa kuphana ne that's where kuthiwa hayi le irongo le irongo, and that's where ke ngokunathi sisahlala nathi when we went back to ugodka kwethu. Said no, there's something missing in the brand. Le brand masinga portray as a brand males or men's wear. Le brand ngeyomntu wonke. Let it be worn by everyone.
Okay.
That's where it came about. Sazise ke ngoku la two-piece. But way before la two-piece, we had crop tops.
Okay.
We had crop tops late 2021. We had crop tops. Mos value yeka nje espacing. You don't know about why yeka. Then inspiration came back. Said, hey, nina sanuzenza ngokuthanda kwenu. But that was the saying. So nikwenza ngokuthanda kwenu. So you need to mill up, just showcase whatever that you need to showcase through a fashion.
Yes, I love that. And then the group look, I love that photo shoot.
Yeah, we're gonna drop. There is gonna be a front page.
Okay.
For a magazine.
Wow.
Coming soon.
Come on.
For Ndimnyama's
Okay.
brand. So
Love it.
when we were shooting as a design, we had to just we didn't want to put one person.
No.
Because remember, Ndimnyama, it's a community brand.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's no longer my brand or anyone in my family in that. It's not their brand. It's a community brand.
Yes.
It needs to draw other people. It needs to make sure that glokona umdu akuyo. Yeah, but that's something. We will not all of us siqale I fashion.
Yeah.
Not all of us will start music. Not all of us can DJ. Not all of us. But if under the banner of Ndimnyama, we can inspire you to do what now or to new way, because each and everyone has their own calling. We just want to do what other people do.
That is so true.
Yeah, but we just let me do this. I don't want to be different to what people do, especially age group.
Yeah, you just want to blend.
Yeah, we just want to do. So we want to push each and every person. Yeah, but class there's one thing that I'm very sure of. Whoever you meet, Ndimnyama, got the same mentality. Okay, ngathi sisalwe ngumuntu omnye. Abanye sidibele nabo through Instagram and others, but it feels like kudala sazana. Yeah, but others are DJ, presenters, njalo, and everyone. So that's why we say this calling is bigger than Mna and Usbahle.
Okay.
Yeah, but this thing needs all of us as a community too.
And that's how it's going to grow.
Yeah.
When it's a community
It's
base.
a community base.
Another thing is the promo. Tell us about the promo video.
It was 2024, late 2024, when we did a promo video. Pana ke kuse selnyoka pa. A high crime rated community. Yeah, so pana ezinyoka everyone noba ubiza bani, yeah man, come ndihlala ezinyoka. You, that will be your answer. You apho upho bayangena yebo whatever iyangena ujike you that's anzokwazi yebo. I can't work with you just because it says nyoka yebo. So Tina, what we are pushing, we're saying silapha ezinyoka, we're gonna do it. Says nyoka asizophuma pha ezinyoka. We're gonna make sure that you're gonna come from where you're coming from. Uze usibize from ezinyoka. And then we're gonna take taxi or Uber. Sit I know this is a safe community. Yabo. Bayeka abantu abenza ozondo bangababo. Each and every place has.
Okay.
Yabo. So we just wanted to remove the stigma of izinyoka indawo ethile. No, izinyoka has these people abasuka ezilalini eNgqungqushu came here to study. Safika ke ngoku sathunyelwa nale into.
I love that. Empowering the
Yeah,
community.
communities.
Yes. Another thing is, what strategies helped you attract clients?
We do direct sales and
Okay.
also it's popular trade cap on social media. We make sure that when we connect with a bando that will take the brand from what it is today to where we want it to be tomorrow.
Okay.
So, connection yethu nabantu, we always make sure that okay, if sitibeno sisibulelo, yabo, as any other business person, what can I provide usisibulelwa? What can usisibulelwa in return
Yes.
do for me as a brand?
That
So, strategy was let's engage, let's take it one person at a time, one client at a time. We don't have the actual target that the big brands that have that say 30. I need 30 t-shirts to be sold. We're not selling here. Here we are building each and every individual through fashion. So if you have Ndimnyama, you understand Ndimnyama, bear in mind where you're staying. Maybe you're staying nearby 6 or 7. I have already entered Abanda by 6 through you. Yabo. So we not have that target sheet that we should have. Yabo. Siyasusa nakwaza zinto kutwa competition.
Yes.
We don't have competition. We don't even know who our competitor is. Who's on by who is our competitor, we don't know. We're just pushing on Ndimnyama to be where it's supposed to be. Yeah, because if we're gonna focus on brand yakho, or I will lose focus.
That's true.
I will just make a curve. Yeah, I will make a curve. So.
Okay, love that. And Ngongo, do you have enough support for emerging designers up here in Quebec?
Yeah, we in terms of designing, we have not had enough collaboration and others, but one of two we had collaboration, but more for the traders, the photographers, your DJs, your models. Your traffic,
Yes.
and your everyone. Yeah, that's why I said nakwabanye designers, let's just remove land buses, competitors, and build brands as solid as a lab. Just say if the big brands can have one mall, and then they call it whatever troop. I'm whatever troop. All of us, we're doing the same thing. We're gonna be where? In one mall or one complex. Why is it a struggle to us? Or why are we enforced to say who is our competitor and who is our... We just have to remove that name, competitor. We don't have a competitor. We need to have business partners. Need to collaborate with other brands. If I see that this silk, I don't have this silk, I need to do them. How can we do it, both of us? Okay, how can we make sure that lewe dinxibleyo okanye lewe unxibleyo just mhlawumbi umthungo omncinci that you need. Yeah.
Okay. And how can designers stand out in a competitive market?
Just collaborate.
Okay.
Just it's a symbol.
Collaborate.
Collaborate.
Yes.
Just collaborate. The big brand are doing it.
They
Why
are.
can't we to it.
Literally.
The big brand are collaborating, and then they tell us they are competing. There's no competition.
There isn't.
There's collaboration. We need to collaborate more.
Yes.
What you have, I don't have, and what
Eh,
I have, you don't have. So we need to exchange the information and the clientele.
that's all. And you build each other.
It's built.
Win-win.
It's a win-win solution because we're gonna have our own Ndimnyama troop mall. Yabo, can you mean?
I love that.
Singabi society we have the Ndimnyama brand group.
Okay, now we're gonna play a game just to spice up. Yabo, loose nje kancinci. It's called Style or Scrap It. So you're either gonna style or gonna uzoyithi. Nope. So denim on denim.
Team law.
Yeah?
That's me.
It's you, ne?
That's me.
Yes.
That's me.
So you style it.
I'll style it. Definitely style it.
How would you style it? Like, just give us a look, Jane.
Just differentiate the colors. Don't go blue on blue.
Okay. Yes, I love that.
Don't go black on black.
Yeah.
Just dlala ngayo, man.
Ane?
Just put an art on it.
Okay. Love it.
So,
Any beanies?
Nike personally, ne? I'm not person of a beanie.
Okay.
But I'm trading beanies for people. But I get.
Yeah. Okay. And leather jacket? Leather jacket?
You're right. It's an
Why? It's not your thing. No. There's different leather jackets. There's those puffy ones. Nazo. Anyways, we're now gonna go on a break, and as we come back from the break, we're gonna look at what the people of Nelson Mandela Bay and South Africa are wearing on the spotlight. And we are back. The first guy we have is Wokenji from Pretoria. How do you feel about it?
Look,
It's nice, eh?
it's me right now.
Right? It's giving. And then we have Ukwezi from Peter Marisburg.
This is me.
It's
This
you,
is
ne?
me. This is me.
I
This is me. I think you did your research.
Did I know?
think
The
you did
team
your
did
research,
the
yeah.
research,
You did
definitely.
your research.
But I also think guys are dressing like this, ne?
Not all of us.
Not all.
No,
Okay.
not-
So it's not a men's trend.
It's not a men's trend.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No, okay. I thought maybe like, the baggy jeans.
No, not all of us.
Okay.
Maybe 2%
Yeah.
of us are not wearing.
Okay.
To only 2%. Otherwise, sonke.
I know. I love it. Okay, lastly, where do you see Ndimnyama in 5 years?
Yabo le pace siyama ngayo. Lokuncembe. Step by step. We're building here a very concrete foundation. So that in 5 years' time, we'll say Ndimnyama will be 10 years. In 5 years'
Okay.
time, Ndimnyama will be 10 years.
Okay.
So now, just jongile 5 years. We're not changing anything. Not changing the strategy. Here we're gonna change. We're gonna be consistent.
Okay.
Sithi Chungcembe, we collaborate more
Okay.
with other brands, with other creatives, Alabebai and beyond.
I know.
Yes.
Love that for you. Do you have any upcoming collections, collaborations?
Sinazo on August 2026. Date is on a Tumelela.
Okay.
Yeah, which just khona nje technicalities in terms of date. We're gonna have an exhibition.
Oh, nice.
Not a launch, not a fashion show. We're gonna exhibit on Ndimnyama and Pana nithatha through the journey
Okay.
of Ndimnyama, and you're gonna see the designs physically from the first design that we did.
Yes.
It's gonna be there framed in to the latest design that you're gonna drop soon next month.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love that for you. And what advice could you give to young creatives who want to start a fashion brand?
Ilula then. Just trust yourself. Just start. Start. But be cautious when you start. because don't be too overexcited. Start, you're gonna have what you want. You're gonna have the customers that you want when you're starting. A year or two after second year, this is what I'm gonna tell you. The business is gonna slow down. It's gonna drop. The sales are gonna drop.
Yes.
At that moment, that is when iqala khona kahle business. Ayiqali xa uqalayo. Iqala xa uhlile.
Yes.
When there are no sales, no people talking about your brand or anything. That's when iqala khona. That's when we pump it up. We use it to the level eqale ngayo or above it. But so the balekile kuqala and be consistent. Remember, passion beats all.
And it beats everything.
Everything.
And another thing, I love that you say after 2 years, that's when it starts.
That's when it starts.
Do you know some people quit from there?
Yeah.
What can you say to them to not quit?
That's why I'm saying you must remember why you started. That's why we said, Tinas, we know from Galanyaka sasiqala ngayo ngo-2020 officially. We know. That's why namhlanje xa sithethayo we reference from 2020. So you need to know why. Don't start because okay, I'm creative. I'm gonna do it. Uzodina kuba creative or uzodina ukwenza into eyi-one okokoko. Uyabo. You just need to make sure that lento ndiyenzayo it is within me. More than ndiyinxiba, it is within me. Ndingangamnxibi Ndimnyama but ndizofowunelwa okanye ndikholwe nje ndizihambela kuthiwe Ndimnyama. I'm not wearing Ndimnyama ngalaa xesha maybe ndinxibe enye ibrand. Yabo. So it must be within you before uyinxibe or before you take it out because zininzi into ezenzekayo when you take out into zakho. So when you take, whether you're taking out your music or you're taking out your fashion or whatever you're taking out to the people, you must have two minds. I'll fail and do it again.
Okay. I love that. Yes, that's very important to keep on going, keep on pushing. Where can viewers find you?
Ndimnyama brand, you can find us on social media. Instagram, it's Ndimnyama brand. TikTok, it's Ndimnyama brand. Facebook, it's Ndimnyama brand. YouTube, it's also Ndimnyama brand. And also, we have started to stream. So, on streaming platforms, we're there. It's Ndimnyama brand. Yeah, do check out for the poster for the exhibition. They're on all the social media platforms.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ndimnyama. And thank you to the viewers for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And check us on all social media platforms, The Fashion Room GQ.